In this video, I'll show you how to block ads on WhatsApp. So to get started, go ahead and open your Facebook account connected to your WhatsApp. Head over into the menu section, and then in here, click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Now on Settings, click on Account Center, and then in here, click on Ad Preferences. So under the ad settings, choose Don't Show Me Ads from ad partners and other apps, and don't use My Activity to show me ads about Meta on other platforms. So make sure to enable that in here. And then after that, this will force WhatsApp to load some random ads. And after a while, you will stop seeing ads in your status altogether. And that is how you can basically block ads on WhatsApp. So this is actually applicable if your WhatsApp account is connected to your Facebook account. But if it does not, you cannot use this solution.